Hey, this is Shanti Uber here. Got a little story to share with you. My two younger kids found a baby bird who was the only survivor of the three birds that fell from its nest. Now we're going to try to feed it some blended rice that my wife made and hope and pray that it survives.
And first we're going to put it in this little bowl so we can feed it.
Yeah, and what does the rice look like?
It just looks like mashed potatoes.
Looks like mashed potatoes. We don't know if it's a boy or a girl, so we're not going to name him yet. Yeah, we're already assuming it's a him. Still breathing, still fighting.
He's so tired. Just gonna see if he opens those teeth.
You have to make some noise. The eyes are still not open yet.
Yeah, but I saw him open his eyes just a little bit.
He could be just sleeping, you know?
Maybe I can just ask him to see that.
No, he's not sleeping now. You're trying to stimulate the mouth to open.
Baby bird. That's what you like, Sonny.
You were once a baby bird, Sunny.